Guys, welcome to this new video of steel estimation. In this video we are going to learn how to calculate the weight required for steel bar, and we will see that if there is a hook, how the lengths are calculated. So before the so before going in next slide, before going to in the uh, before going in the detail, first you need to remember these two formulas which are very helpful throughout the video. That is, if we want to find out weight of steel bar per meter, the formula will be d square by 162, and if we want to find out hook length for one side, the formula is 9 times diameter of bar, and for two side, it means if hooks are provided on both the sides, the formula will be 2 times 9 into diameter, because the hooks are provided on both the side. But here you need to make a note that whenever you are going to find the weight of the steel bar per meter, value of d you need to put in mm, and whenever we are calculating the length of the steel bar, value of d you need to put in meter. So this is the thing where there is a chances of mistake. Now, here I have calculated the weight of different diameters of bar. So we will start with the 8 mm bar. If it is a 8 mm bar, the d square by 162 will be 64 divided by 162, which is equal to 0.39 per meter, 0.39 kg per meter. And likewise, I have calculated it for 10 mm, it is 0.61, for 12 mm, it is 0.88. For 16 mm it is a 1.58. So likewise you can calculate the weight of steel bar per meter for each and every given diameter. Now let's go with one question. The question is like this: so find out the weight of 5 number of steel bar having diameter of 10 mm and length of 2.8 meter. So here you just need to calculate the weight of the steel bar. As we know the formula of weight, that is d square by 162. So first we will calculate weight per meter, that is d square by 162, which will be equal to 0.6 kg. Now we have 2.8 meter length of one bar. So length of bar 2.8, and we have 5 numbers of bar having length 2.8 meter. So total quantity will be multiplication of these three quantity, that is weight per meter, length of bar and number of bar. So likewise you can calculate that total weight of the bar, it will be 8.54 kg. Now let's take one another example, that is find out weight of 5 number of steel bar having diameter of 16 mm and length 2.5 mm, and 8 number of bar having diameter of 20 mm and length is 3.8 mm. So in this question we have two types of bar. One is having 16 mm diameter and second is having 20 mm diameter. We have 5 numbers of 16 mm diameter and 8 numbers of 20 mm diameter, and length of bar is 2.5 meter for 16 mm and 3.8 meter for 20 mm. So solution part, first we are going to calculate per meter length weight. So first we are going to calculate weight per meter. So for both the bars 16 mm and 20 mm, we have calculated per meter weight. Next, length of each bar is 2.5 for 16 and 3.8 meter for 20 mm, and number of bar 5 and 8. So multiplication of 1.58 by 2.5. So multiplication of 1.58 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 5 will give us the weight required for 16 mm bar, and multiplication of 2.46, 3.8 and 8 will give us the weight required for 20 mm bar. So in this slide we are going to calculate the hook length. Hook is nothing but whenever we provide a steel bar, it should be anchored properly, right? So this kind of arrangement we are providing on both the side. We call it as a hook, and for one side hook the formula is 9 times diameter. If the hooks are provided on both the side of the steel bar, the formula will be 2 multiplied by 9 times diameter. So this is for one hook, 9 times diameter, and if hooks are at both the sides, the formula will be 2 multiplied by 9 times diameter. Now let's understand this by taking an example. So the data is like that. We have 5 number of steel bar. Each bar has a length of 3.5 meter and diameter 16 mm, and we need to calculate the length of steel bar having both side hook. So we need to calculate the weight including both side hook. So first we need to calculate the hook length. So the straight length is given to us, that is 3.5 meter. Here we can see we have both side hook. So you need to add 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by diameter. And please take note, here we are putting the diameter in meter. So first you need to convert 16 mm into meter. That is equal to 3.7. Now second part of the calculation is, we have length of one bar, we have number of bar, and we have formula to calculate per meter weight. So multiplication of these three will give us the total weight of bar. So total weight is 29.23 kg. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Hub. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next lecture.